this is probably the final one. Hope you enjoyed it. It's kind of walking around, looking at stuff. So whatever, there's just so much you look at. I can't do 20 videos. So whatever, 678th one. Anyways, of this was about Chicago. Anyways, a lot of stuff going on. Whole bunch of stuff. Anyways, Alumacraft right here. At the lovely and talent show here. Sports show. Of the time of our lives. You can tell a lot of people don't come here because this is fishing stuff. The families like the party barges, so there's all kinds of fun stuff. These boats, and we've got 120,000 of that bad boy. But they've got, you name it, they've got it here. It's a great place to come. I don't know this stuff. That's a, what is? Oh, it's a hunting. It's a hunting. Yeah, I see. Okay, all right. I saw the last boat. I saw these. This must be a new brand. They look kind of nice. I like it. At the show, having the time of our lives. 84,000. Very nice. I like the Nelson Marine. I don't know where they're located at. I think they're a couple, but bunk trailer. That's right. So 86,000. Very nice. These are more fishing kind of ones. This Venus one. You pick it up here. All kinds of fun stuff. We got, oh, it's got some trucks here. Wow. Ooh, this is kind of a, that's kind of a bizarre one, huh? My goodness. I've got a license to chill. Nice. How about 86,000? Bad boy. What do you guys think, huh? Something kind of different? Oh my God, that's hilarious. So, we'll take the last picture of that bad boy, huh? Probably barge up here, look at that bad boy. There's a nice truck right here. It's nice. They've been trying to sell hot tubs left and right. And those are fun if you're going to use them. If you're going to use them. If you're going to use them. Very, very nice. Yeah, you can tell. The Rangers are not cheap. These Rangers, you name it, they got it. Finance available, 22 grand, huh? If you got extra money, you never know. 18 grand with this bad boy. Nice. Got snowmobiles, but we didn't. We got snow early, but not late. So, sleds. What do they get for these things now? 18,000. Articat. Someone rebought the business, which is good. They saved some jobs up north. These are really nice. These are expensive, but they're kind of the Cadillac I call of boats. They're really cool. Better have a big truck to pull these bad boys. 142,000. But again, you better be taking it every weekend. Every Saturday, you and your buddies are taking the boat out and make it worth your while. If not, don't buy it. It's great to have. It's like saying I have a Lamborghini but I don't drive it, or I got a membership at Interlochen Golf Course but I never go there. You know, Mark Cuban one day on the show goes, I have membership in somewhere but I don't go because because I have it, right? Oh, nice. Look at that bad boy. Nice. What do you guys think, huh? Look at these are nice. These are the ones you bring on the river, the old Mighty Mo, Minnesota. What's that? St. Croix? I don't know. Goodness.
Is that fairly new? Make sure that wasn't right.
Big ass motor. Jesus. I didn't know Rangers made a party bar. Let's go look. I like plants and things. We love that place. They moved to a new place. $60,000, that bad boy. I didn't know if they made one. Interesting. Nice. Live bait marine, family owned. That's right. Here you go. Very nice. Look at that bad boy. Whew. It's a big dog. Very nice. Let me get up there or not, if you can. Can't get up there and look for some reason. I don't know why. But anyways, let's finish off with the overpriced boats, the party barge. But yeah, these are nice. These Rangers, they're sweet. Very nice. I like it. We'll take a look. We got some more Rangers over here. Yep. Bad boys. Whew. Your man's dream right here. And the wife's nightmare when he brings it home. Yep. Very nice. Look at that. Yeah, those are fish ones right here. Nice. Bad boy. 68 clearance price. Huh? Getting rid of it. Hell yeah. All right, let's go look at Civilian here. We'll be done here. Look at the party barges, shall we? Go look. These are, affordable, 27 grand, and these kind of make you feel like you want to go fishing. But like the one guy said, you need a dry well right here. But 27,000. Yamaha 4-stroke, 104, custom cover included. Does not include dealer setup, tails. No, that's BS. It's a pig in a poke. Again, just a pig in a poke. That's all it is. Sorry. At least you have that puke color you don't want to have. We're at the sports show. It still doesn't want to make me want to buy that pig. 31 does not include dealer. See, it's just not right. Should have the whole thing in there, but they don't. It's a cool place over there, all that stuff over there. So, whatever. Who am I? I don't know. 31,000? I don't know. Just the color sucks. I'm sorry. Let's go over to planting things. We've shot there before. We bought stuff there before. We like it.
Used to run around.
They should have something come down here to hang on to for old people. When they come down on both sides. They don't fall down and hurt themselves. I know, who am I? I'm just an idiot. I'm just a peasant in holy war. They're out in Anoka. They're really cool. Love this place. We bought some stuff there. They're cool chairs. They're expensive, but they're worth it. They have all kinds of fun stuff. Plants and things. They built a new place. Yep. That's right. There it is. Nice. You guys think, huh? Kind of nice. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the Northwest Sports Show. All right? I know I did. All right? See you guys on the next adventure. See y'all later.